Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and I survived my weekend. Yes, I am back after being celebrating, the normal birthday. I think the family deserved to have a little time off. And special thanks to the people in Palm Desert. Everybody was just absolutely outstanding. And obviously, I cannot come back with not having something with me that I saw and I tried over there over this weekend. So please stay here with me, and we're going to show you how to make the kumquat cocktail. Only here, Hey Bartender. All right, you guys. So the kumquat cocktail. Well, first of all, please do me a favor. If you like what you see, if you like some of the cocktails, and if you ever make them and you like what you taste, it's okay. Just that little link right there. Just give it a click, and you're gonna be receiving a couple of videos, hopefully a week, where you can learn how to do this really cool tasting and amazing drinks. And don't forget to share. That being said, we're gonna start building this really cool cocktail. Super easy, very fast, very refreshing, and kind of like original because honestly, I see before I seen the kumquats, but it seems to be like it's always gonna be okay with champagne or stuff like that, or making some kind of like a syrup out of them, which is absolutely amazing. Don't get me wrong, but I see this cocktail and actually it sound kind of like I'm not sure, and end up tasting absolutely delicious. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need 4 kumquats cut in half. We're gonna put them inside, and you're gonna have one on the side which you're gonna be slicing it just for the purposes of garnishing. All right, then we're gonna grab your vodka of preference, and we're gonna go for 1.5 ounces. We're gonna grab your bar spoon, and we're gonna do 1 bar spoon of honey. Just toss them in there. And you gotta be a little bit patient because that DNA takes some time to slide off the bar. All right. Once we have that, we're gonna grab a thyme. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put them in there, and you're gonna proceed to muddle. Let's make sure that we break all those nice kumquats. That makes it pretty well with the thyme. Once we have this, let's put some ice. And let's give it a small shake. Nice. Perfectly chilled. Now what we're gonna be doing is Bartender, your best ginger beer. And we're gonna pour approximately 4 ounces. With your same bar spoon. Just give it a little stir, just to make sure that everything is perfectly nice and chill. And let's get a previously chilled champagne fluid. So you can do this thing 2 ways. The way that I just did it right now, or you can have perfectly cold, like almost frozen. Well, not frozen because you don't want to put them in the freezer, but you have to make sure that your beer is perfectly cold if you don't want to do this step. Obviously, this step is going to take a little bit away of the fizziness of the ginger beer, but not that much. So you can do either way. Now, we're going to go for a double strain. And we're gonna finalize the cocktail with some kumquat slices. To make it a little bit more elegant, a little bit of a thyme. Anybody thirsty? This will be the perfect moment for your kumquat cocktail. Salud, everybody.